Everyone, welcome to last part of file handling. In this part, we will see one more method to open a file using with statement, which is a very unique and very efficient and fast method to open a file. And it has several advantages. Let's see. So we can open a file using with statement also. So the syntax is with, then we have to write the open method, and then again the syntax is the same as the previous one. So we have to first give the absolute or relative path, and then we have to give the mode in which we want to open our file. So if we do not give it, so the default mode will be the read mode. After that, we have to write keyword as and the name of the file object. So this will open a file and the object is assigned to this variable fobj. So the advantage of this, after that we have to put the colon also, and after that colon we can write some statement, that means the read and write operation which we want to perform in the file. And the advantage of this with method is that we don't need to close the file. As soon as the interpreter come out or control will come out from this block, that means after executing these two lines, in this case, as soon as the control will come out from this block, the file will automatically close. So there is no need of explicitly closing a file. That is the advantage of the with statement. So it is suggested that we should use with method, so it, because it is efficient and we don't have to take care about closing a file. Let's see some example of this with method. So in this case, I have opened a file test.txt in write mode. So if this file does not exist in the present working directory, so first it will be created. And if it already present in the working directory, so the previous content will be overwrite. So we have opened this file using with method, and the file object is assigned to the variable f. After assigning this, inside the indented block, we have written three statements f dot write. Then inside this method, I have written a string my first file, then slash n. So this will write first line my first file, including this slash n character, and then it has another function f dot write this file slash n slash n. So basically these three lines will be written into the file test dot text as it. So in this case, as soon as we come out of this indented block, this file will be closed automatically. So we don't have to bother about the file closing operation. So this is the basic advantage of the opening a file using with method. Let's see one more example of the file handling, a interesting example. So let's understand this example. In this case, we have a file name.txt which contains some names. Let's suppose these are A, B, C, and D. So this name file contains suppose four names A, B, C, and D, which are written in four lines. So these are written in four lines. So we have opened this file, and the file object is name file. Inside this indented block, we have opened another file. The file name is message.txt in read mode, and we want to read the content of this file. So the file object here is message file, and we want to read the content of this file. So to read the complete content, we know we have two options. We have read method and we have read lines method. So here we have used read method. So it will read out all the content of this file message.txt. And this message will be assigned to the variable text. After that, we have used a for loop to iterate over the lines of file name file. That means the file name file which contains four names A, B, C, D. This for loop will iterate over each line of this file. So first the variable name has value A, then B, then C, then D. Coming to inside this for loop, we have written a string mail equals to dear sir oblique madam. This is basically a string salutation, plus we are concatenating two other string with this string. So the name whose first value is A, and the text that means the message you want to write for this particular person. So basically the string becomes dear sir oblique madam, the name of the person and the message you want to convey him. So we have stored this thing in a variable mail, and again we have opened a file. So the name of this file is name.strip. That means we have called a.strip. So a strip function will do what? It will remove the leading and trailing spaces from this string A if there are any, and then this A will be concatenated with .txt. So the string will become a.txt. So the objective here is to create a file having name a.txt, and we have opened this file in write mode. That means this file will be created whose name will be a.text. And here we have written mail file dot write mail. That means we want to write the string, this string which has string dear sir madam, the name of the person that is A, and then the message. So this string will be written inside this file. So this is the way we can create as many files as we have the names in our name file. So if our name file contains suppose hundreds of names, so this simple code will create 100 text file having each having name a.text, b.text, c.text, d.text onwards like this, and each file contains a specific message like dear sir oblique ma'am and the name of the person, that means A, then B, then C, then D, and then message we want to greet them. So this is the way we can use, and this is generally called mail merge, which we perform in MS Word and MS Excel. So this is the one example of using with method. So here we have not to bother where we have to close our file, but we have to take care that we have given properly indentation. So avoid any kind of error or accidental writing or closing of the file. So this is all about the file handling. Thank you for watching this lecture.